Hey friends, if you encounter the Battlefield 2024 launch error 0xC0020015, then please watch this video. So, a lot of users mentioned that merely launching the game as an administrator helped. Now, I don't have the game, so I'll show it on a different application. All you need to do is search for the game, right click on it, and select Run as Administrator. The next solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to close background applications. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now, there are a lot of background applications which could be problematic. So if you find any such application, simply right click on it and end task. Okay, right click on it and end task. Now the question is that which background application? See, here's the thing. That's why I suggested clean boot as the second solution, because when you launch your system in the clean boot state, all background applications associated with third-party processes are closed. Now, coming to the next solution, you can try an anti-malware scan on your computer. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool, and then click on next and then select full scan. Click on next and let it scan the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.